Okay, this lesson covers week 2, day 3. The first part of that is going to be alphabetizing. You will notice that all of the words in this list do end with EY digraph. However, that does not change the process for alphabetizing. You can refer to last week's alphabetizing video for a refresher on the steps you need to take to properly alphabetize these words. We will also be working with worksheet 118 on the front, homework 118 on the back, and this is going to cover something new. This is called a quadrigraph. It's quadrigraph, E-I-G-H. The reason it is called a quadrigraph, just like digraph, trigraph, quadrigraph, quad means 4. Okay, so this is a quadrigraph because it is made up of 4 letters, just like a digraph is made up of 2, a trigraph made up of 3, a quadrigraph made up of 4 letters. So we're going to be looking at quadrigraph E-I-G-H today. Okay, we'll start out by taking a look at these 4 words right here. Now, how do you think you're going to code a quadrigraph? That's correct. You're going to underline it just like you do a digraph, just like you do a trigraph. So we're going to go ahead and identify the quadrigraph E-I-G-H in each of these words, and we'll go ahead and underline them. Okay? Quadrigraph E-I-G-H, quadrigraph E-I-G-H, quadrigraph E-I-G-H. Now, I haven't read these words to you. You may know what those words say, and if you do, think for just a second about what quadrigraph E-I-G-H says. That's right, it says A. In each of these words, quadrigraph E-I-G-H says A. So when we know that, then we can take a look at the word and sound them out. First word, there's not going to be any other coding on it, but we just discussed the fact that quadrigraph E-I-G-H says A. So let's just put that together. A-T, 8, as in the number 8. W-A, weigh, as in how much do you weigh. And we can go ahead and code that as a blend. Freight, freight, as in a freight train. Okay? I do have a picture card for E-I-G-H quadrigraph. Take a guess for just a second about what you think might be on my E-I-G-H quadrigraph card while I run over here and get it. Okay, here I come. All right, by now you should have talked to somebody about what you think might be on my E-I-G-H quadrigraph card, which says A, and here it is. It is a sleigh, as in Santa's sleigh. So for this card, you would say sleigh, A, E-I-G-H quadrigraph. Okay, if you have any questions about that lesson, let me know.